Hi everyone. So from today I'm going to start a new playlist comprising of SQL questions. Basically, we find uh, many of the YouTube videos explaining some SQL concepts and going away. But I'm trying to solve interview questions here. Here I'm going to solve some interview questions. So the question is as follows. I hope you can see my screen. Let's say you're working in HR at a major tech company. Okay, and they ask you to find employees with higher productivity, higher probability of leaving the company. So here we are trying to capture where there is higher probability that the employee will leave. They tell you these employees perform well but have the lowest pay. So give me 1 second. I'll start annotating. Probability of leaving the employee and their pay is low. Okay. Mm, So given two tables, employees project. So there are two tables. This is employee table, and next picture has this project table. So give me 1 second. So better to have some view here. So yeah, you can see both the answers side by side. Okay. So yeah, we have been given two tables. One is employee and the projects table. Okay. Find the five lowest paid employees who have completed at least three projects. So see here they are given two conditions like you have to find only the five employees with the lowest paid, and the second is who have done only three projects. Okay. Note we consider projects to be completed when they have an end date which is same as their end date is not null. Okay. Give me 1 second. Sure. We consider projects to be completed when they have an end date. Yeah, a project should have some end date, which is same as something, say their end date is not null, and end date should not be not null. Okay, let me pull my Word document. So I'm selecting employee ID. Why? Because my output table should have only employee ID. So, so from if we observe these two tables, so the input tables are employees and the projects table. So employees table has ID and project table has employee ID, project ID, start date, end date. So we can join these two tables on ID. So here they are referring ID, but as this is an employee table, then this is employee ID. We can join these two tables on employee ID. So yep, I can do email join employee. So, and I can say like what is other table projects. on. So E dot is equals to P dot. We observe this E dot ID, P dot employee underscore ID, employee underscore dot ID. So successfully you are able to join both the tables, projects and employees, and we are able to pull the employee ID. So let us try to answer the both the conditions. Given two tables, employees and projects, find five lowest paid employees who have completed at least three projects. So, and we are trying to group by employee ID. By dot ID using having condition also, having count of at least three. So project end date e dot md underscore dt. I'll explain you all the conditions after writing the code. Order by. So let me try to explain this one. Who have completed at least three or more than three. Find the five lowest paid employees who have completed at least three projects. So project ID. Completed depends on end date. So which is greater than 3. Count of projects end date greater than or equal to 3. Next, order by. Order by E dot salary ascending order. Limit is equals to limit 5. Give me 1 second. I'll check the query whether I have written correct or not. Dot employee ID from employees in a join projects P on E dot ID. E dot employee ID group by E dot ID. Having count E dot count of okay order by limit 5. Yeah. So once again I'll discuss the question with you. Let us say you're working in an HR at a major tech company and they are asking you to find employees with higher probability of leaving the company. They tell you that these employees perform well but have the lowest pay. So they have the lowest pay. Performance are discussed, but they are not given the details in the tables. Given two tables, one is employee table and the other is project table. Find five lowest paid employees. Five lowest paid. So that is why we kept limit 5. Who completed at least three projects. At least three means we have given greater than or equal to. Greater than or equal to. Sorry for my bad writing. Greater than or equal to 3. Limit 5. We consider projects to be completed when they have an end date. Yeah. Obviously, project start and end date is there. So the timeline is here, which is the same as saying end date is not null. Yeah, end date should not be null. So for this, we have written this query stating like this. Select p.employee ID from, we are joining both the tables. By joining both the tables on ID, group by ID, having. We have used having count of p dot end date greater than or equal to 3. Why? Because projects, at least they should complete 3 projects, 3 or more. Order by salary ascending. So we are giving lowest to highest. And we are limiting 5. Why we gave lowest to highest? We said that these employees are being paid lowest. Okay, lowest paid. Hope you understood this question and this query. Slightly we need to make changes in the formatting. As I've written in a Word, I've not taken the indentation, but please take care of your indentation while you're writing the query. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.